Welcome back. And guys, part 2, okay? We are writing the equation of a line in point slope form. So let's all write this together. We're writing point slope form together. Y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1. And once again, setting ourselves up for success, we're going to rewrite this with the, say it with me, empties. Yes. There we go. So this is point slope form. We just did writing the equation of a line from a table in slope intercept. Now we're doing writing the equation of a line from a table in point slope form. And just as a reminder, once again, your x values are your domain, okay? And your y values are your range. Now, the way that you find the slope in point slope form is exactly the same way that we found the slope in the other lesson in writing the equation of a line in slope intercept. It's the same thing. It's delta y over delta x. Your change in y over change in x, and we said that was 2 over 1, which simplifies to 2. So your slope is still 2 because we're using the same table for this example, okay? So your slope is still 2. Yes, it is that easy, okay? Moving on. So guys, now all you have to do is pick one of these points. Which one do you think I'm going to pick? This one. Positive 1, positive 1. It's the easiest one there, okay? And you just put it in your point slope form. So since both your x and your y values are exactly the same, you would say 1 and 1, okay? But what if you didn't have an easy point like that? Let's choose this one. -1 and -3. Well, what is your y value? -3. So we would put -3. That's a double negative. So we circle and put the plus. And then we have a -1 for our x value, so we circle and put the plus. So your final answer would be y plus 3 equals 2 times x plus 1. And you just wrote the equation of a line from a table in point slope form. Yes, it is that easy. Okay? So the only little bit of work you would have to do was you'd have to check out, okay, the change in y over change in x, your rate of change. And in the other video, we discussed if this table represents a linear or a non-linear function, okay? So guys, we have to talk about that. So thank you, and cut.